welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Just take a second to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me on Instagram. In today's video, we have this mermaid Halloween look. So if you guys want to see how I did it, stay tuned. So we'll start off with the Rare Beauty foundation and apply everywhere. Using your beauty blender, you're just gonna blend in. Now I'm gonna apply some foundation on my neck. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and apply concealer, e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the color Medium Warm. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the eyes. We're gonna use the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use a lot of purples and blues. So essentially these colors right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start with a purple base. Now with my NARS concealer, I'm just gonna do a cut crease in the center. Now we're gonna go ahead and use the Urban Decay Liquid Moonshine to do an eyeliner. So what I did was, on top of the Liquid Moonshine, I added some more blue eyeshadow from the James Charles palette, and that was to give it like a natural eyeliner look. So now what I'll do is I'll use this Avon True Color Glimmer Stick. It's like a bluish turquoise color, and I'll use it on my waterline. And now I'm just gonna clean this up with concealer to make it look crisp. Wow! Okay, so now let's do the other eye. Now I'm gonna use this LA Girl Ultimate eyeliner, and it is in the color pink to do my brows. So now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Ardell 113 double lashes. Now that the lashes are in, I'm gonna go ahead and use these pantyhose over my head to start doing the scales. And with my big brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the purple and blue eyeshadows from the James Charles palette and just start going in. And then for lip, I'm gonna use the same exact pink that I used for my liner. So this is the final look. I actually did a slick back wet hairstyle, so it goes with the vibe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment below. Subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!